Hello, and welcome to our English conversation practice session. Let's work together to improve our spoken English skills.
Conversation between Jennifer and William.
Hi, William. How are you?
Hi, Jennifer. I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm good too, thanks. What have you been up to?
I've been working on a new project at work. It's been challenging but rewarding.
That's great. What kind of project is it?
It's a marketing campaign for a new product launch. We're doing a lot of research and planning.
Sounds interesting. How's the team?
We have a great team. Everyone is working hard and collaborating well.
That's important for a successful project. What about outside of work? Any plans for the weekend?
I'm meeting some friends for dinner on Friday and then going for a hike on Saturday.
Sounds like a fun weekend. Enjoy your dinner and hike.
Thanks, I will. Enjoy your weekend too.
Thanks, I'm sure I will. Let's catch up next week.
Definitely. Have a great weekend.
You too, William. See you next week.
Hope you people understand it clearly. So please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting video.